Hi, I'm Jenny. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another brilliant product by the brand Propaira. Propaira is really an upcoming leading skincare brand in Australia. I've been so impressed with a lot of their products. And the other great thing about Propaira is all their serums, moisturizers are under 100 bucks. Most of them are around 50 or 60 Australian dollars. This really would not break your bank account. And yet a lot of Propaira's products do contain active ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, niacinamide, peptides, and so forth. And today I want to talk about one of the latest products, and that is the DNA Repair Cream with retinaldehyde, forskolin, and niacinamide. So this product contains retinaldehyde or retinal. Most of us would know that retinol is the gold standard of skincare. But a lot of us do struggle with the irritation, the agitation that comes from retinol. And what I have personally find is that my skin seems to tolerate retinol or retinaldehyde better than retinol. I know retinaldehyde only needs one-step conversion to be converted to retinoic acid, whereas retinol requires two-step conversion. And retinaldehyde works 11 times faster and more powerful than retinol. And actually, like I said, I find retinaldehyde is really gentle on my skin. And if you read the reviews, you find that a lot of ladies or gentlemen do testify to the fact that their skin can tolerate retinol or retinaldehyde better than retinol. I know. Yeah, I find that my skin has tolerated retinaldehyde really well. So this product is a whitish cream. It's a very soft whitish cream. You can even call this a serum. Yet the cream is really, really soft. Very easy to apply. Your skin just absorbs it. Beautiful, beautiful serum. Yeah, there's no scent. That's what I like about Propaira products. It doesn't contain alcohol, perfume, sulfate, paraben, and so forth. So let's talk about the ingredients in this fabulous product. You've got forskolin, niacinamide, retinaldehyde, triglyceride, shea butter, tocopherol, and a whole lot of mixing ingredients. So your three main ingredients is your forskolin, niacinamide, and retinaldehyde. Forskolin is really an extract from the Indian mint plant called Coleus forskolite. And it has been shown to have a lot of skincare benefits. What has been shown in laboratory studies is that this extract from the forskolite plant can actually repair the cells that has been damaged by sun exposure or by environmental aggressors or oxidative stresses. So it can work at the DNA and cellular level. And I think that's why this product is called DNA Repair. So that's how powerful the forskolin extract is. And of course, the other ingredient is niacinamide. Niacinamide has so many benefits. It's a hydrator. It can even out skin tone. Niacinamide can soothe and heal the skin. Niacinamide is anti-inflammatory. It's great to have a powerful skincare product that has got niacinamide in it because it will just calm your skin and soothe your skin and stop it from being inflamed and getting red. And the other ingredient is the retinaldehyde. Because the percentage of retinaldehyde hasn't been disclosed, so I presume it is low-strength retinaldehyde. This is encapsulated retinaldehyde, so it will be released onto your skin a little bit at a time. And the other thing with encapsulation is that it will preserve the integrity of the retinaldehyde. So it will not destabilize or lose its potency in a short period of time. So it can retain its potency and integrity a lot longer. For 30 ml, this is Australian $60 from the Propaira website. Propaira products are sold from the website. You can't really buy them in physical retail stores, But it's very easy. You just go to the website and order your products online, and it will calculate the postage for you. Yeah, I've been really impressed with this product. I just put a small dot on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin, and just spread a thin layer all over my face, and then my moisturizer, and then go to bed. And the next day, I do see a brightening, lightening of my skin. Just a certain youthfulness, just a certain radiance on my skin. I mean, considering the price bracket, this is under 100 bucks, and it's got all that powerful active ingredients. You really can't go wrong. And if you haven't tried any Propaira products yet, I suggest give some of his products a try, and you'll be so impressed. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.